electromagnetic anomaly.
Right. Well, I don't really understand its purpose. I know it has something to do with the way kids get to the school, like my roommate Remy. I also know it needs two things to work: a baby and a battery. I'm pretty sure Pen's the baby, but the battery is still a mystery.
We're almost at the end of the tunnel.
Okay. Looks like the door is open to the room where I found the bassinet. I see Dr. Solstice and Pen and... Gotcha! Ah!
Okay, we're here.
You can open your eyes, Casey. We're on the ground.
Well, the roof of Holiday Court.
Good idea tying that hammock between the two hoverboards so Casey could ride, Bruce.
Yeah. Thanks for the super relaxing hammock ride, hundreds of feet in the air.
Ivan, you there?
Hello, Cyrus Anders.
We're on the roof.
I know.
Is it safe to come inside?
Polycorp Tower is locked down by federal marshals looking for James and Monica Anders. But no one is currently on the upper floors.
Okay, then. Let us in.
Opening roof access.
Before we go inside, remember, the longer we stay, the more likely we'll be discovered.
So, get in quick and get out quicker.
We split up, right?
Yeah. Everyone grab whatever you think might be helpful. Laptops, documents, research we don't want falling into the wrong hands.
I need something from R&D. A side project I'm working on.
I'll take Bruce to the workshop.
Casey, stick with me. We'll handle the labs. Let's meet back up here in 30 minutes.
Let's do it, B-Squad. Sorry, you good?
Yep.
Good luck, everyone.
Must be weird sneaking into your own building.
Not my first time breaking into this place.
Hey, Cyrus. Thanks for including me.
Of course, you're part of the team, right?
Yeah. So, elevator or stairs?
Stairs sound safer. I'm just gonna duck into the bathroom real quick.
Now?
Always happens before a big caper.
Okay, well, don't come out until after you're done scrubbing your hands. Scrubbing your hands. Hurry and please catch up to the rest of the group after you're done scrubbing your hands.
Whoa.
Cyrus, you okay? Is this another one of those zone out moments?
Yeah. You know what? The bathroom can wait.
You sure?
Yeah, it passed. Let's go to the stairs.
Hey, have you ever tried riding one of those hoverboards yourself?
Couple of times. Didn't go well. My sister Holiday is the best.
So, only the bots have them?
Well, yeah. But we have an extra one here at Holiday Court. Used to belong to my sister, actually. Hovey, that's his name. Was destroyed a few years ago, but I've been rebuilding him. He should be good to go. I left him in Mom's lab for testing. Okay, here we are.
So, I'll check out Dr. Andrews' lab and meet you in yours.
Sounds good. See you in a bit. I remember now. Yeah, I have a question. Where's the bathroom?
The bathroom. That's your insightful question.
It may not be insightful, but it is kinda urgent.
Down the hall, last door to the right. Hurry and please catch up to the rest of the group after you're done scrubbing your hands.
Got it. Great tour. She was there. Casey was at the Elixir Academy.
Remy, you shouldn't sneak up on people in dark, spooky basements.
Sorry. I would have announced myself, but I had to be quiet. Hence the sneaking.
It was an excellent sneak.
Thank you, Cybot.
What are you doing down here?
I woke up and saw that you and Pen were gone. Didn't take a big leap to figure out where you went. So, are we going for the bassinet or what?
We can't. Solstice is in there with Pen
We're
and...
all set, Dr. Solstice. The battery is charging.
and Kazu.
What are they doing in there?
Come on, just don't get too close.
What is that in the wall?
Another hidden elevator. That must be how they got down to the caverns.
Kazu, take Pen to the bassinet. I'll be observing from the booth with the headmaster.
My mom. The door.
It's all right, Pen. It'll be over soon.
They're taking Pen in the elevator.
He's sleepwalking again. Brinley, was Dr. Solstice crying?
Please, that would mean she has a heart.
Now what?
Now we get into the elevator. Right, Brinley? Brinley?
This could answer every single question we've ever had about this stupid school. Maybe every question I've had about my whole life.
Elevator's here. You ready for the answers? Is it weird being back in the workshop, Bruce?
I was basically shut down that whole time I was lying on the table.
How did you finally wake up? I mean, you said it yourself. It doesn't just happen.
I guess Badger put it in motion before he went home with you?
Yeah. I'm gonna go in the back to look around. If you see anything interesting out here, grab it.
Will do.